We are going to discussing about the world between the world wars. All of you wrote down. Okay, in 9th class we have discussed Italy unification and Germany unification. In that topic we have discussed about how to unify the Germany and Italy. Who are the leaders for that unification activities done by them? We have discussed already in previous class, in 9th class. Okay, anyhow, in this lesson, the world between world wars. There are two world wars occurred in the world. First World War and Second World War. The period is, the First World War is 1914 and 1918. And Second World War 1939 to 1945. Totally these two world wars occurred in 20th century. In 20th century. One of the historians said that 20th century is the age of extremes. Age of extremes. We called 20th century age of extremes. That person is Eric Hobsbawm. BAWM. Okay, the historian is Eric Hobsbawm said that about 20th century is the age of extremes. There are so many incidents occurred in 20th century. For example, there were two world wars are there. First World War, it is also done in 20th century. Second World War, it was also done in 20th century. Not only these world wars, any incident that is an extreme. There are number of incidents occurred in 20th century. Particularly, mainly Italy. This pink color is Italy and brown color is Germany. Both the countries in 19th century unification completed by their leaders. But in 20th century there is in Italy rises fascism. In Germany rises Nazism. These are the methods. Some of the are in Italy. For example, Italy, the leader is Mussolini. In Germany, is Germany, Hitler. Both leaders are aggressive leaders. So, one of the incident in 20th century, that is raises fascism in Italy and Nazism in Germany. One side of the two issues are there. Another side, democracy was required. Democracy was required. Most of the people wanted democracy. One side of democracy, other side of autocracy. Dictatorship. Both are dictators in those countries, both countries, Italy and Germany. There are so many instances in that countries. Italy and Germany. Not only these incidents occurred, another number of incidents are there. For example, that is one thing, Italy fascism, Germany Nazism, and other side is democracy. Other countries, for example, Russia, there was established communism, socialism. People lived along with brotherhood and equality. Brotherhood and equality in Russian communism. That is one side. Other side, capitalistic countries. That means democratic countries. Most of the capitalists invested their capital and they get people wanted to get political freedom. Only available political freedom in democracy countries only. There is a freedom. One side of this incident, one side of this means not only this, and other things are also there. For example, number of innovations invented by some persons. For example, arts invented. For example, arts like cinema. Cinema was invented. Nowadays we are watching a number of movies. We can understand. We can awareness of that films. This kind of incidents occurred in 20th century. Education improved, better education available. Then literacy rate automatically increased. New health facilities invented. In those days, there was no health facilities because of for example, number of diseases occurred in those days. There was no medical facilities. There was no medical equipment. These medical facilities in medical sector invented new methods. This is one kind of incident. And other side, look at this map, the world in the 20th century. See this, particularly in European country, North America, South America, Africa, Asia, Australia. Particularly, European countries were well-developed countries because of in the 18th century, England was industrialized first country in the world. 18th century. So it was extended near European countries and American country. Industrialization increased, extended from England. So all the European countries, industrialized and well-developed countries. Remaining Asia, Africa and Latin America. Latin America means Mexico, Middle America and South America. It was called Latin America. These countries were ruled by these European countries. So world was divided into two parts, two blocks. One is industrially developed countries, one side. Other side, Asia countries, African countries and American countries. These countries were ruled by the industrial countries. All are the controlled by these countries, European countries. How? For example, India, Britain was established a colony in India. India was colony of Britain. Yes? Not only England and other European countries established a number of colonies in different continents. For example, Asia, Africa, and these North America, South America, Australia. In these continents, number of countries controlled by the European countries in those days. So there are two parts, two blocks of the world. One is developed countries, other one is colonies. Other one is colonies. Which are the colonies? These undeveloped countries. Undeveloped countries are colonies. So these developed countries ruled in these countries. Yes? In this way, there is a problem raised. What is that problem? For example, see this, all these countries, particularly first England. England was industrial. There is a industrial revolution started in England. Industrial revolution started in England. So it was industrialized. Then that country established a number of factories. That means industries. Number of industries established. In that country, there are basic facilities, basic raw material available. That raw material used by factories and produced different kinds of commodities. After that, there is no natural resources. There is no natural resources. Then that country wanted to raw material and markets. Where is the raw material available? There is no raw material in England. Other countries have that raw material. For example, Asian countries, African countries, North America, South American countries, Australia. So that England wanted to establish a company in India. For example, only I am saying our India. England established a company, East India Company in India. Then our Indian traders and British traders agreement, and both are the trade between both the countries. After that, they established colonies and they prepared army. Then they dominated our kings, princes, all the rulers of our country. They dominated. Then both the countries struggled. Both the countries, England. But in England, modern weapons available in England. They have, England company have modern weapons, but our Indian army has only traditional weapons. So in this war, that India was loose and they dominated in India. They established rule in India. I am saying only one country. Other countries also, not only England, Spain, France, Germany, Poland, Italy, Portugal. All these countries established in different continents, in different countries. All the European countries established colonies. Colony means that ruled by the developed country. Why they were established colonies, particular country? They required raw material. For example, we have an agreement between you and me. Yes? Only agreement. What is that? Just trade between you and me. After that, I am dominated and occupied your area. I defeated you. Then occupied India and established my rule in India. So all the resources mine now. All the resources are mine now. Then I used that resources. I gathered raw material and transported to England factories and processed goods and services or commodities, and that produced goods and commodities services where the sell it. That country required a market. In our country, they prepared India as a market. They wanted India as a market. So what happened after that? That goods and services transported to India and sold out in India. Yes, not only England and India, other European countries and other countries, all the developed countries and colonies, same thing. This kind of incidents. In this way, there are number of incidents. For example, we are struggling against the British rule for the freedom of India. Yes, every country wanted to freedom. So we fight against the British rule in those days. After, not only this, in 20th century, hundreds of countries, independent countries, they got freedom after First and Second World War. First and Second World War. Independent. They got independence. Hundreds of countries, above hundreds of countries, they got independence in 20th century. All these kinds of incidents are extremes. I am saying only important incidents, and number of incidents occurred in those days. We are discussing only important only, main things, main incidents only. What happened? The world was divided into two blocks. How? For look at this. All these countries wanted to India. For example, Portugal country invented sea route to India first. Portugal invented sea route to India in 1498. After that, after Portugal, other country came to India. For example, Holland. After that, French. After that, England. 4 countries came to the India. They established different companies, different colonies in different cities. All the countries, Portugal, Holland, French and England, yes, all are enemies. Because of, for example, Mumbai, I wanted. Chennai, Madras, I wanted. Kolkata, I wanted. All the wanted that. There is a competition. This competition leads to war. Enemy. In these situations leads to animism. So then the world was divided into 2 enemy blocks. These countries, these developed countries, this competition leads to world war divided into 2 blocks. One is Central powers. Second one is allied powers. All of you note down, don't make noise. Okay, right. The world was divided into two blocks or two parts. One is central powers and other one is allied powers. Allied powers means friendly. Central powers, main countries. In those days, these countries are very powerful in those days. And also, allied powers also very well-developed countries, England, France, Russia. These blocks formed in this alliance, triple alliance. This is called triple alliance, triple entity and triple alliance. When there is a competition started, the world was divided into two blocks. Then automatically every country wanted to occupy other country. Occupied other country. So in these reasons, it leads to First World War. Okay. What are the causes of First World War? Let us discuss one by one. Okay, remember it all these things. Okay, First World War causes. What is the duration of the First World War? Okay, there are so many causes for the First World War. Let us discuss one by one. First one is aggressive nationalism. Imperialism. Okay, let us discuss what are the reasons for the First World War. What are the causes for the First World War? First one is the aggressive nationalism. Okay, for example, we called what is our nationality? What is our nationality? Mr. Shiva, start. Tell me. What is our nationality? We are all Indians. Our nationality is also Indian. So that is our nationality. Our nationalism, like in this cause, aggressive nationalism. In Italy, In Italy and Germany, both the countries. For example, in Italy, Italy is the greatest country. Our nation is the greatest in the world. That country said that. That country said that our nation is the great in the world. That is the aggressive. There is in autocracy rule in that. Only all the decisions taken by the dictator, that means king. So that our nation is the great. In the same way, in Germany is also their nation. Only the rule the world. That eligibility country is Germany. We are the ruling. We can rule the world. Other countries are not able to rule the world. We are the rule the world. That is Germany said. Only German people are done by that. That is the aggressive nationalism. This nationalism leads to wars. That is one of the reason for that. Whereas after unification of Italy and Germany unification, after that established a modern states. Before that there were no modern states. When the Italy unification and Germany unification, after that modern states were established in the world. In this case, our India was started the independent movement, freedom movement. That is same nationalism. Same. We fight against the British rule. See properly. Okay, that is one thing. Other thing is imperialism. I told you already. What imperialism? For example, one country attacked and other country and occupied it. Occupied that. For example, these developed countries occupied other countries like African, Asian. That is imperialism. This is particularly imperialism. There are so many reasons for the imperialism. Because of that, industrial countries require raw material and markets in the world. That raw materials, for the raw material and markets, they were occupied their countries. And competition among the countries in those days. For example, England occupied India. And like India means India and Pakistan. Okay, Australia was also occupied by the England. Same way, France occupied Morocco in Africa. This is the mainly raw material and markets. For the raw materials and raw markets, they occupied the colonies. So, for example, Portuguese, Holland means Dutch also, Dutch and French, England. These four countries came to the India, and they were, all the countries are enemies. For example, I wanted Bombay, You wanted Mumbai. What happened between you and me? Fight. War will be declared. Finally, one of the country victory. Same. That is this case is leads to World War, First World War. And another one is secret alliances. Secret alliances. For example, I told you already, Central Powers and Allied Powers. Yes, Germany, Italy, Japan, and England, France, Russia. Okay, these are the countries. Secret alliance. How they formed secret alliance? For example, Germany means Austria-Hungary. Austria-Hungary. Germany means Austria and Hungary. After unification of the Germany, it was merged into Germany. Anyhow, for example, Austria agreement to Italy. Austria agreement to Italy. Before that, in the unification of Germany, there are mainly Prussia. Prussia is the country, one of the state in Germany. Prussia leads to that movement. Which movement? Unification movement. Prussia Prussia and Austria both are the agreement to secret alliance. Secretly. For example, both are friends. If any country attacked on me, both are fight against that country. That in 1879, Prussia and Austria both countries agreed. After that, Italy, 1882 joined in this alliance. Italy joined in this alliance. So then this alliance is known as Triple Entente. Same way, France is also alliance with these countries. Why France was started this alliance? Because of in Germany unification and Italy unification, there was a war, Franco-Prussian war. Franco means France, Prussian means Prussia. Prussia means Germany. Franco means France. These countries, between this war was done. In this war, France was defeated by Germany. Prussia, that means. So, some of the important areas occupied by Germany. Both are the enemies. Okay, in this case, next, militarism. Automatically, France was isolated. France was isolated. They wanted friendly countries, alliance countries. For example, France go to England to alliance, and after that, Russia, 1907. These three countries merged as a alliance. Okay, so between these two blocks, World War was done. Not only, for example, England was joined in the World War, only single country. With the England, along with the England, all the colonies joined in the World War. For example, when England was joined in the World War, automatically India was joined with the support of the England. All the colonies, all the developed countries. So this is the secret alliance. If any country attacked other country, all the countries attacked that country. That is the secret alliance means militarism. Militarism, it is a particularly protection purpose. For example, solution for the problems, the best way of the army. The solutions for the problems, the best way is the wars. Best way is the war. So all the countries, war is the main thing. Remember it. War is the main thing. So we required army, weapons, modern weapons. So we expense and use amounts on that militaries, army. For example, in 1880 there is a 132 million pounds expense on this army, new weapons also. That is in 1904 it was increased 3 times. For example, 397 million pounds. So these are the reasons for the fast war. So there is a weapons are increased, army was also increased. What happened between you and you? It will started war. So that reason is also fast war. Balkan policies. What is the Balkan? This is the Balkan Sea. This is the Balkan Sea. The surrounding countries are known as Balkan countries. For example, this Balkan kingdom was ruled by this kingdom was also known as Ottoman Kingdom. Ottoman Kingdom. So this was ruled by the Turkey Sultan. This was ruled by the Turkey Sultan. So these countries, Turkey, Romania, Ukraine, Hungary, these countries ruled by the Turkey Sultan. So that area, when the fall of the Ottoman Kingdom, then this Turkey, Russia, Austria, Hungary, these countries wanted that places. So every country wanted Russia and Turkey, Austria and Hungary. All these countries started their problems. That leads to war. That is Balkan countries policy. Immediate cause. Immediate cause means it's very important. That means Austria and Bosnia. Both the countries, Austria and Bosnia, European countries. Austria was declared. We merged Bosnia in Austria. We merged Bosnia. One of the order, that is Austria wanted to occupy the Bosnia. So in Bosnia there are different kinds of nationalities. Okay, in Bosnia different kinds of nations. For example, Serbians, Bosnians, both are is there. So Bosnian Serbs, we called Bosnian Serbs. But Bosnian Serbs was not merged into Austria. They were not interested to merge into Austria. So one of the occasion, the Austrian prince was announced. It was merged into Austria. That was not liked with that people. So one of the occasion, Austrian prince went to Bosnia with his family. At that time, one of the Serbian murdered that prince. Prince name is Archduke Ferdinand. He was murdered by this person Bosnian said. Then immediately Austria ordered to Bosnia who are the murdered. That details are required within 48 hours. That Bosnia was neglected that order. Automatically, this incident occurred 14 June 28. Austrian prince was murdered in this date. In 48 hours, they required details, but Bosnia neglected. After exactly 1 month, Austria was declared war on Bosnia. July 28. Austria declared war, and it was entered into the World War. Automatically, England was supported to Bosnia. Germany was supported to Austria. Then France was supported to Bosnia. And Italy was supported to Austria. But it was not supported in the first World War. It was by the side of the England. So Russia was also supported to Bosnia. Not only these countries in the war, other colonies are also included in this war. So this is the First World War, the causes. Okay, remaining lesson we will discuss next class.